Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The BMW X5 gets a refresh for 2024. What is new? A thirdly updated range of engines with a 48-volt hybrid system for the both 6 and 8-cylinder engines. The plug-in hybrid has more power and increased electric range. The exterior design element including a new kidney grille, slimmer headlights, and a neutral light. It also has expanded standard equipment. A more modern cabin with a new tech-forward interior featuring iDrive 8 with a curved display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Gone is the optional third row for 2024. We are driving the turbocharged 3-liter inline-six with a 48-volt hybrid system. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission, 375 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. It gets more power than the previous model, up 40 horsepower and 51 pound-feet of torque. The X5 50i, the plug-in hybrid with a turbocharged inline-six and an electric motor, has more power and range than the previous model. It gets a combined 483 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, with up to 64 km or 40 miles of EV range. The previous 45e only had 42 km or 26 miles. The X5 M60i with a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 and a 48-volt hybrid system with a 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. Standard all-wheel drive for all models, but in the US, there is a rear-wheel drive model available for the 40i. There are some big changes to the interior, with a decrease in the number of buttons and controls in favor of digital controls for various functions. It has new 14.9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 12.3-inch digital driver display which is behind a single glass surface creating a modern design. Fuel economy. The 40i all-wheel drive model gets a 10.1 liter per 100 km, 23 mpg city and 8.7 liter per 100 km, 27 mpg highway. The X5 50i gets a combined 4 LE per 100 km, 59 mpg E. When the battery is depleted, a combined 10.6 liter per 100 km or 22 mpg. In the US, the sDrive30i start at $65,200 US, xDrive30i at $67,500 US, 50e at $72,500 US, and the X5 M60i start at $89,300 US. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 BMW X5? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.